remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children.
Para su seguridad, por favor permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro del tranvía y cuiden a sus niños. Gracias.
Alrighty, friends, for those of you that have just joined us, welcome aboard Trolley 717. I'm still Ashley. Out there is still Rachel. We are slowly departing from Car Trolley Circle Station, making our way out of downtown into Hollywood Boulevard, with our final stop being at Sunset Boulevard. Right over here on my right hand side we have Car Trolley Circle Restaurant and Lounge. This restaurant and lounge is actually based off of a Car Trolley Circle theater that existed in Los Angeles. The theater is quite important to us because it's where we first premiered our first full-length animated featured film. Does anyone know what our first full-length featured film was? Yeah, I see your hand. What is it?
Snow White.
Snow White, that would be correct. That was our first full-length featured film, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Recently, during awards seasons, we had the Oscars that we received as an honorary award because animation wasn't a category at the time. But there were 7 little Oscars as well that was presented to the Walt Disney team by Shirley Temple. Right up, coming on our left-hand side is Mickey's PhilharMagic. It's currently showcasing at Sunset Showcase Theater. It's roughly a 15 to 20-minute show where it takes you through some iconic Disney Pixar scenes, where you get to wear some yellow opera glasses with Maestro Mickey and Donald, who likes to butt in at the end. As we slowly approach our second courtesy stop, we're entering Hollywoodland, which is the land of air conditioning. There's a whole bunch of experience to enjoy over here, so as we arrive, please remain seated at all times. So the trolley comes to a full complete stop and those doors open. Welcome to Hollywood. That was like in 2001. You know, I can't remember. Unfortunately, we're a full trolley. If you guys want to head around the corner, more than welcome to. Right here. So inside this building, you can actually learn how to draw. You can be on an Elsa in there. You can talk to Crush, the scenes different.
Welcome aboard the Red Car Trolley. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children.
Para su seguridad, por favor permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro del tranvía y cuiden a sus niños. Gracias.
Alrighty, friends, thank you for sticking out with us. We're just headed to all the way all around the corner. So get comfy because it's a long, treacherous journey right over there. If you guys look straight ahead, it looks like Hollywood Boulevard is traveling for miles on end. It also looks like the sun is setting in the east, and there's no traffic. Oh, that's right, it's a wall. So it's actually they use a forced perspective that we have made to make things look larger. It's an old movie studio trick. We actually utilize this trick in our theme parks as well. One example being Sleeping Beauty's castle at the end of Main Street. And just like that, friends, time flies when you're having fun. We've arrived. Please remain seated at all times so the trolley comes to a full and complete stop and the door is open.